Hi, welcome to Home Garden Homestead. Today we're going to make pesto. I know everybody has basil growing and we have a wonderful kitchen garden here and we have a great crop of basil. And we're going to go ahead and clip some. And what you're wanting to get is the big leaves. So we're going to have some more coming back up later on in the later part of the summer. And we want to try to get it before it bolts, before it flowers and takes off. So the timing is important. So we're going to start out with 2 cups of basil leaves. Now we're going to go cut the leaves off the stems and we'll be set to go. So we're going to take the basil that we cut from our kitchen garden. We're just going to snip off the big leaves, and we want 2 cups of pressed basil leaves. So I have a 2 cup measuring cup here waiting. So I'm just going to cut off all the nice big leaves and be prepared to get 2 cups, and we'll be ready to add all the other fresh ingredients. It smells wonderful. All right, so now we have a cup of the basil leaves with 1/8 of a cup of the pine nuts. We're going to just go ahead and mix this all, blend it all in the KitchenAid here at half of the recipe, and then I'll do the second half. I have a clove of garlic. We're going to go ahead and get that ready. All right, and now we're going to add 1/3 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Now we're going to blend it all in a nice smooth consistency, kind of the consistency of pudding. All right, so just to review, it's a total of 2 cups of pressed basil leaves. It's a total of 1/4 cup of pine nuts, 2 cloves of garlic, and 2/3 cup of the olive oil. And I like to use extra light. That's just my preference. So we're going to go ahead and add the second 1/3 cup. Oh, and look at that. That's a perfect consistency. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and take our newly blended pesto out. We're going to add some salt and pepper to taste. I like to use a little bit of the ground pepper and also a little bit of sea salt. Now we're going to add a 1/2 cup of pecorino cheese. We're going to mix it. And I am going to make a recipe tonight for an appetizer. I am going to take sliced homegrown tomatoes with a little slice of mozzarella cheese and a dab of pesto on top. I broil it for less than 3 minutes and voila, it's going to taste delicious. It smells wonderful. Thank you so much for joining us on our Making Pesto with Patti Schultz at Home Garden Homestead. Click here to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Home Garden and Homestead. Click here for our Facebook page and give us a good like. Thank you so much. Have a great day.